Hi, this is Dave Lorenzo with RainmakerLawyer.com, and today this is really a pep talk about having you ask for your money, ask for the money that's owed you. And I'm going to tell you that most lawyers don't get paid on time, and sometimes they don't get paid at all because of one minor problem. They don't know how to ask for the money. They have this fear, this phobia, and this may not be you, it may not have anything to do with you at all, but they can't ask for the money. I encourage all my clients to get all of their money up front when it comes to a case. Now, in some instances, that's just not going to be possible, but those instances are few and far between. Regardless, you're going to need to learn to ask for the money, and here's how you do it. You simply say, I'm going to be performing quite a bit of work for you. I'm not going to be able to take on other clients, or I'm going to have to forego taking on other clients for a significant period of time. In order for me to make sure that this is the right matter for me to take on, and for you to make sure that I allot the right amount of time, I'm going to need to ask for full payment up front, and that full payment is X. Now, the client can respond in one of two ways. They can respond with, oh wow, that's a lot, I'm not sure I can come up with it, in which case you can make a decision as to whether you want to reduce the price and take on the client, which I never recommend that you do, or you can decide if you want to take on a payment plan, which again, I don't recommend that you do. The second response the client can come up with is, all right, fine, when would you need the check? And that's the best response of all. Now, here's the thing. The client may have issues with paying the full amount up front because your competitors, other people who do what you do in your marketplace, will not be asking for payment up front. And your response should be simply, if you'd like to go with that lawyer because of the payment arrangements, that's fine. Just keep in mind that the decision you're making should be based on who the best lawyer is for you and not based on the payment arrangements. Now, what I can tell you is this. Lawyers who set themselves apart, they clearly differentiate themselves from everyone else who does what they do. They don't have any problem with getting paid and getting paid up front and asking for the money up front. The only problem that they have is handling all the clients that are going to come in their door. Lawyers who let themselves be seen as a commodity, on the other hand, they have problems with this, and they quite frankly can't charge premium fees and they can't get paid up front. So what you need to do is you need to come up with a way to clearly differentiate you from everyone else who does what you do. Getting paid is one of the fundamentals of business, any business. And a law firm, by the way, in addition to being a profession, the law is also a business. And in order to run it like a business, you have to get paid. So differentiate yourself, ask for your payment up front, and you'll be much, much happier with your law firm and overall with the practice of law. If you have any problems at all asking for the fee, think about the value that you're providing the client, think about the amount of time you're going to put into this matter, and think about how you're going to have to forego taking on some other clients to take care of this particular client. That should ease your mind when you ask for your payment up front. My name is Dave Lorenzo, and for more great law firm marketing tips just like these, you can find me at RainmakerLawyer.com. Thanks for watching, and have a fantastic day.